In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ERPNext theme. Changing the theme in ERPNext is a simple way to make your workspace more comfortable and easier on the eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time in the system every day. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to switch between themes and share a few tips so you can pick the one that works best for you. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and you're on any main page of the system, such as your dashboard or a list view. The option to change the theme is found in the same place no matter which module you're in, so you don't need to navigate to a specific section. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile area, which usually shows either your profile picture or the first letter of your name in a circle. This is also where you normally go to log out or access your account settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you'll see several options related to your account. Among them, look for the option labeled Toggle Theme. This is the control that lets you switch between the available themes in ERPNext. Go ahead and click on Toggle Theme. Once you click it, ERPNext will show you the theme choices that are available. Depending on your version and setup, this might be as simple as switching between a light mode and a dark mode, or it could include additional variations. Take a moment to observe how each theme changes the overall look of the interface, including background colors, text contrast, and the feel of the different screens you work with. Now, select your preferred theme from the available options. After you choose it, the interface will update, usually within a second or two. If it doesn't appear to change right away, you can try refreshing your browser window, but in most cases, the change is immediate. As a quick tip, you might want to test your chosen theme while viewing pages you use most often, such as reports, forms, and list views, to make sure the colors and contrasts are comfortable for longer use. Remember, you can always return to the profile icon and click Toggle Theme again if you decide to switch back or try a different look.